Hello, welcome to Nebula Quick Quotations, a quotation tool that can help you close deals faster. Conventionally, interior designers use Excel sheets, which will take them more than 3 days to build a quote, which will resemble a grocery list. So, we are here with our tool Nebula, which can help you make an exceptional premium quotation within 5 minutes that can grab your client's attention instantly.
Interior designers still sending Excel quotations are quietly losing projects without realizing why. Clients won't tell you, they just stop replying. It's not because your price or design. In 2026, an Excel quote signals one thing: you're not serious about your business, and that raises doubts about how serious you'll handle their home.
Once you are onboarded, you will be provided with credentials using which you will be able to log in. After logging in, you will be on this page. Just select the niche and click on continue.
Code Builder is a place where the primary functions of building a code lies. It has an option called Add Rooms where you can create rooms, add materials using the option Add Rows. In this option, you can add the measurements of the materials that you are using. You can save the materials in the library. Also, you can save the entire room for future engagements. Unlimited rooms can be created in this panel. Also, the GST splits of every specific materials can be added in this panel. An exclusive feature called Analyze Floor Plan is available in the Code Builder where you can directly upload the floor plan to get an instant quotation which can be customized completely. You can also instruct it to build a code on the device budget of your client. For example, if the budget of your client is 10 lakhs, Nebula can give an editable code for that budget. Add the client details and click the generate button to get the code on the preview panel. You can even fix a valid date for the code.
Now we are on the preview panel. Here the quotations you generated turn to PDFs instantly. We have 10 plus premium templates available. You don't have to touch Canva or waste your life trying to format cells in Excel. If you like the design, you either save it or send it to the client immediately. But if you want to make any changes, you enable the inline edit option and edit the text wherever you want. You can add a page and add any content like terms and conditions, for example. We have this design studio option with which you can add buttons, stamps like approved if the client approves your code. You can edit the payment terms by making changes in the payment terms section in the bottom right side of the dashboard. We have this amazing feature called Nebula AI. It generates narratives for your code. It gives a narrative about what will be done with the materials. You can go back and edit the codes if you click on the edit code button. Also, you have total control over what the client actually sees. If you don't want them seeing the GST breakdown or the specific brand names yet, you just flip these switches and they vanish from the PDF. Excel definitely isn't doing that for you. When you are happy with it, just hit save. It keeps track of versions, which is a lifesaver when a client asks for 3 different changes and you need to remember what you sent the first time. Then just send it straight to their WhatsApp. You can even edit the text of the message before it sends. It's just easy and it makes you look a lot more professional than a spreadsheet ever could.
The Client Hub works as a sales navigator, following up with the clients without calling them. The Client Hub provides for an overview of client's response to your code. It gives you the data about the number of times the client has opened your code, segregating them as hot leads based on the number of times they have opened and viewed the code. The acceptance negotiation request of the code is also notified in this panel. The different number of versions of the same code is also displayed. You can directly send your code from this panel too.
Get paid faster. In the invoices tab, right at the top, you can see what's paid, what's still pending, and most importantly, who's overdue. You don't have to dig through bank screenshots to remember who owes you what. When you're ready to bill, just click New Invoice, link it to your code, and it's done. All the data pulls through automatically. Check it, send it to their WhatsApp, and that's it. Next is the CRM tool. Most designers try to track their clients in their heads or in long WhatsApp chats, but this shows you exactly where your business stands. Right at the top, you can see what your total projects are worth, how many hot leads you have, and most importantly, who you need to follow up with today. It even flags if you missed a follow up, so you don't forget to call someone back. Now, a lot of the big corporate CRMs out there are a total headache. They are built for giant sales teams and not designers. We made ours visual. You have got this Kanban list where you just drag projects from new lead to site visit to negotiating and to finally one. If someone new calls you, just hit new project to add them. Or if you already have a list in a spreadsheet, just import your Excel and everything pops up here instantly. If your list gets long, just use the search bar to find a name in seconds. And if you need to clear out the junk, use this toggle to select a bunch of leads and delete them all at once. You can also switch to the list view to see the priority and status of every project. But here is the real game changer that leaves those corporate tools in the dust. Nebula AI. This isn't just a database, it's like having a high level business consultant built right into your dashboard. It actually analyzes your data and tells you exactly what moves to make to scale your studio insights. You literally cannot get this anywhere else. Plus, when you click a client in your list, you get a simple form to follow up via WhatsApp or email. The AI will help you write the email so you can close deals way faster. It gives you the same power as those expensive corporate CRMs, but it's actually built for the way you work.
A chat option is available within the code dashboard, allowing the clients to communicate directly with the designer. All chats between the client and the designer are secure and backed up in email. An extended mobile application is also available within the code, which the client can install to continue chatting with the designer. The chat feature is powered by AI called Mood Read, which analyzes the conversation and provides proper systematic suggestions to help you close the deal. At the end of the day, you didn't get into design to spend your life in front of a spreadsheet. That's why we built this. From the very first step of building a code in our editor to using Nebula AI and turning it into a professional PDF instantly, every piece of this is designed to help you close the deal. Give Nebula a try and see how much easier it is to run your studio when the system is finally on your side. Close deals faster with Nebula. Thank you.